Every year, the world produces up to 1.9 million tons of honey, a huge number. And the United States alone consumes about 600 million pounds of honey each year. But the question is, how can beekeepers produce such a huge amount of honey? Why has honey become a wonderful food that everyone craves? People all over the world can't resist putting a spoonful of honey in their mouths, ready to discover the secrets behind this magical process, from the honeycomb to the dinner table. With demand skyrocketing each year, beekeeping is constantly growing and expanding. A beehive containing tens of thousands of diligent bees can produce up to 90 kilos of honey. If the health of the bees is guaranteed and conditions are ideal, honey, a magical gift of nature, can be preserved for a long time, almost indefinitely. Just keep it in a dry and airtight place. So what makes honey pure gold in the food world? Its charm lies not only in its sweet taste, but also in its ability to persist over time, creating a secret that people are still searching for. Honey, the first thing a beekeeper needs to do is calm the bees. They use a gentle smoke created from dried mugwort leaves or wood, which helps make the bees quieter and less stressed. This process not only ensures the safety of the bees, but also helps beekeepers work effectively without being bothered by bees. Time to harvest, beekeepers use soft brooms or special sweepers to gently sweep the bees out of the hive. This ensures that the bees are not harmed and their nectar is not destroyed, helping to protect natural honey sources. Once collected, the hives full of honey are carefully transferred into neat boxes, loaded onto trucks, and transported to the processing plant. Here, the honey processing process begins. With the support of modern machines, advanced technology is used to effectively remove the wax caps from the honeycomb, keeping the pure honey intact, ready for processing. Next variable. Every step in this journey is meticulously performed, ensuring the final honey is always of the best quality. The honey extraction process begins by placing honeycombs into a large rotating drum called a centrifuge. This extractor uses powerful rotation to separate honey from beeswax. As the machine rotates, centrifugal force forces the honeycomb to rotate strongly, causing honey to flow out of the wax and drip downwards. The honey is then collected at the bottom of the extractor, where it is discharged into tanks, usually made of stainless steel, to preserve the quality and freshness of the honey. Once the extraction process is complete, the empty honeycombs are cleaned and reused in subsequent harvests. To achieve the highest quality honey, honey must go through a strict testing process at the laboratory. Thereby, each drop of honey is meticulously filtered, completely removing impurities, leaving only drops of pure gold. This filtration process is extremely important, as it ensures that the honey is not only pure, but also retains its great flavor, resulting in a perfect product. The clean glass jars then enter the packaging line, where the honey is precisely poured into each jar, ensuring each jar contains the perfect amount of honey. However, this step does not stop there. Each jar of honey will continue to be checked for quality again by quality control experts. If honey jars do not meet the standards, they will be immediately discarded. Only those that meet the requirements will continue. Finally, after bottling, the honey is packaged in boxes or barrels and made ready for distribution. The journey of honey is not over, as jars of honey are transported to stores, restaurants, manufacturers, or directly to consumers around the world, bringing with them the sweet taste of nature. Ready to serve everyone. Write more concisely. Honey, a sweet gift from nature, brings countless benefits, providing energy, vitamins, minerals, strengthening the immune system, improving skin and hair, and supporting good sleep. Additionally, it helps treat coughs, burns, and even diabetes when used raw. The journey of honey from the hive to your hands is truly magical, a testament to the wonder of nature. Every drop of honey is created through a meticulous process, from the efforts of hardworking bees to the delicate techniques of humans, bringing incredible health benefits. Let's discover more wonders of nature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on interesting, useful videos about health and great natural products like honey. Join us to experience this wonderful journey.